So we're here in Blairgowrie, quickly coming to sort out the Centurion D5 Evo sliding gate motor. Gate wheels. So we've already removed the first steel gate wheel. Obviously we can so we're opening up all of the new bearings. We're using rubber seals. We're going to fill some wheel bearing grease in there to make sure that they last for another 20 years. So the rear wheel is actually the one that's shot, but yeah, removing the one bearing, it came apart. So the one bearing on the front wheel was in any case worn, so that bearing is still good. It's a steel seal, which means we can't service it. Your grease will just peel out. That's why we use rubber seals on our bearings. The man is already busy with fitting grease on it. There you can see the factory grease, and then we're just putting in new grease. Then you place the seal onto it and you install it into the steel gate wheel. There's the steel gate wheel. Why? I want to quickly show you, this is the factory filled grease inside the bearing. Now obviously bearings are made to run at speed, but steel sliding gate wheels, the bearings roll very slowly. So if we overfill it with grease, it's not going to be a concern. If you took this bearing and you overfilled it with grease and you used it in an electrical power tool which spins at 12,000 RPMs, then the seals would pop out and grease will be all over the show. But with a steel gate wheel, which is slowly moving like that, you can overfill it with grease just to make sure that you don't have to service it again in another year. Right, so there's a bearing, it's got grease in it. We've already fitted that rubber seal. Okay. So all you do with the rubber seal, clip, there it's in place, just like that. And this bearing is full of grease, so water's not gonna get into the bearing. Unlikely. Even if it sits in water, it's still going to be unlikely, because grease repels water to a certain degree. So you've got your steel gate wheel. These are V-shaped wheels that they've placed on a round bar, but in any case, and now all you do is you put the bearing on and you tap it in lightly on the outer edges. When it's done, turn it around, tap in the other one, and then you insert the steel gate wheel into its holder into the steel sliding gate. Right, there you can see both bearings have been tapped in. Just hold it with your thumb and middle finger and spin the wheel with your pointing finger. Make sure that it runs smoothly. Now it's time just to quickly put the wheel in the slot, put the pin in, and put the split pin on the other side. Let's quickly do that. Right, there the steel gate wheel is in. Inserted the pin, check the gate for the free spinning, and now it's time to quickly fit the circlip on the outer side. Make sure that the pin is in right through. Right, we're done replacing the steel gate wheel bearings. Let's quickly test it. did welding the support bracket onto the steel gate rail on that startup section there, and then at the back. But if you listen to the motor, it's not labouring at all. There we go. Cool.